Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to save Excel sheet as PDF without cutting. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, to print in a PDF in Excel, first you go to file, print, then go back. Now you can see the print lines. This is where you can see which of the page will be printed. If you type in numbers, you can see here number 10 won't be printed because it's outside of the print. Borders, everything 1 to 9 will be. If you go back to print, you can confirm that you can only see 1 to 9. So now if you select Microsoft Print to PDF and then print, you can select where you want to save your files, and then you can save it as a PDF. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to save Excel sheets as PDF without cutting. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.